Hello, this is Theodora from ZenART Supplies, and Happy New Year to everyone. This is a daily reminder that if you want something great to happen, you must make it happen yourself. So grab your brush and start creating something. It might not be great at first, but the outcome is not what's important. The important thing is to start creating. By making something every day, no matter how small it is or how not detailed or very detailed it is, it doesn't matter. What matters is that you will see yourself grow. You will start seeing the world through different eyes, through the eyes of an artist. And it's true what they say about artists, that they see the world in a different way. They notice all details, no matter how small they are. They see the world through so many different shades. They see all the shades of green and any other color. And they see texture. You will see beautiful things that inspire you, and you will want to capture that beauty into your work. And every time you're disappointed into yourself and your abilities, just remember that every great artist that you admire was once a beginner themselves. So grab your brushes, your favorite watercolors or oils or acrylics or gouache, and start making something. Show people the world through your eyes, and you can share it with the world, or you can keep your work to yourself, whatever.